Hello everyone. Whenever we see any concept in database, we usually come across the concept of keys. As the word suggests, it is somewhat similar to keys in real life. Every lock has its own unique key. The lock can only be opened using that particular key. If we use any other key, the lock will not get unlocked. Similarly, a table in database can have multiple records. What if we need to find a particular item in that table? We cannot just keep on checking each and every record. For example, if we need to find particular concept in a book, we don't keep on checking each page of the book. We just check the index, where each chapter or concept has its page number printed. We can simply find that concept on given page number of that book. Similarly, in case of database, a key can come in handy. With the help of a key, we can uniquely identify a record in a table. In this video, we will see the concept of keys and what is primary key. So let's start after a short intro. So the definition of keys states that it is an attribute or set of attributes that help to uniquely identify a tuple or row in a table. Let us simplify it. Consider this example. We have a table of students which has three attributes. First is roll number, second is name, and third is age. Now if you see the table, each column has a name. If we need data of a particular column, we can get it because all column has names. Let us say I need age of all students. I can simply get all data from third column whose column name is age. This means we can identify individual columns with their names. But what if I say I need a particular row from the table? There are no names for each individual row, so that we can identify it. We require such data or attribute, by using which we can uniquely identify a row from the table. To uniquely identify each row, we require attribute which has unique values. So in this example, roll number has unique values for each row. Values in name and age column are redundant or duplicate. So with unique roll numbers, we can identify unique rows. So roll number is an attribute that can help to uniquely identify a row. So as we can see, there are two students with name PQR, but with unique roll numbers we can identify them both uniquely and there won't be any confusion. In the definition, we also have set of attributes. So what does that mean? Apart from roll number, we have two more columns, name and age. If we consider them individually, there is redundancy or duplication of values or data. But if we combine them, we can get unique value. For example, there are two values for PQR. There are two instances of age 18. But combining name and age, ABC and 18 are PQR and 17, these combined we get unique values. There is no other duplication for these combined values. ABC and 18 is a unique value. Same is the case with PQR 17, MNO 19 and PQR 18. So roll number or name and age, these attribute or set of attributes, can be a key for this student table. Therefore the definition, attribute or set of attributes. There are different types of keys present in DBMS. In this video we will cover what is a primary key. So let's start. So the attribute or group of attributes of a table must contain unique value for each row and cannot contain null values. Then only it can be considered as a primary key. Let us simplify this with an example. Again, we consider a student table of a university. This time it contains attributes like registration number, roll number, name, age, mobile number and bank account number. Now from these attributes, we need to decide which of them can become a primary key for the table. Let us check each attribute one by one. Name attribute will never be null as each student will have a name, but will it be unique? No, we can find many students with same name. So the name attribute is not suitable. Same as with age, each student will have an age. But we cannot get a unique value for each row, there will be multiple records for a particular age value. Now other four attributes are columns, mobile number, bank account number, roll number and registration number. Let's check these. Mobile number can be unique, but there can be some scenarios, like two siblings can give their parents' mobile number which can be same. So in this scenario, data will not remain unique. So mobile number cannot be primary key. Bank account number can also be unique. You cannot find same account number of two accounts of any bank. But in this case there can be scenario where the student does not have a bank account. According to rules, primary key attribute cannot contain null values. So this option is also invalid. Roll number is another option, but if we are considering a university, there can be multiple faculties each having their roll numbers. For example, there can be roll number 5 of computer science department, and there also can be a roll number 5 of IT department. So if we consider a particular class, roll number can be an option, but for a whole university it is not valid because of similar values. Last one is registration number. When you take admission to school, college or in university, you get a registration number which is unique for each student who takes admission. So the value of this attribute does not get repeated, and without registration number you cannot get admission, so it will never contain null value. So we can finally state that registration number attribute can be a primary key. And we can uniquely identify a row using it. So in each table, such column which will fulfill both these requirements can become a primary key. So hope you understood the concept properly. We covered concept of keys in database, and we saw primary key, which is one of the type of keys. In upcoming videos, we will cover other types of keys. If you feel this video helped in clearing your concept, like the video and share it with your classmates or friends or someone who needs help in these concepts. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon so that you will get notified when I drop a new video. Thank you.